Imagine working 12 straight years at the same company. Your performance reviews are flawless. You're finalizing the paperwork for a new home. Then you show up on a Monday morning, tap your access card at the turnstile, and the light flashes red. The HR department doesn't cite poor performance or budget cuts. The sole explanation is that an AI agent can now do your job. This chart shows the estimated impact of AI tools on current jobs in sectors like finance and administration. Globally, that displacement figure sits at around 12%. In India, the estimate reaches nearly 20% and continues to climb. To build a defense against these odds, you need to know exactly where you stand right now. Grab a pen and paper, write down your exact monthly take-home income, and right next to it, your current total monthly expenses. Standard financial planning assumes a predictable, stable 30-year career. If a piece of software can learn your daily tasks in a matter of months, relying on 3 decades of uninterrupted corporate income becomes a mathematical risk. We have to change the math. Step 1 is reevaluating your long-term debt. Signing a standard 20-year home loan carries enormous risk if the industry you work in might be heavily automated within 2 years. This visual calculator sets a strict debt boundary. Multiply your net income by 0.35. Taking home 100,000 rupees makes 35,000 your absolute EMI ceiling. To stay under this limit, reduce the principal. A 30% down payment shrinks the loan, lowering interest and freeing up savings. Before you sign any loan document, run the worst-case scenario. If your income dropped to 0 tomorrow and stayed there for 6 months, could you still service this debt? If the answer is no, you are not ready for the purchase. Large financial commitments have to be sized according to the likelihood of a sudden career disruption, rather than what you can afford at your peak earning capacity. Step 2 expands your runway. The old 6-month emergency fund rule is obsolete. You now need a cash buffer covering 10 to 12 months of living costs. For freelancers, unpredictable dry spells require an even longer grid of 15 to 18 months of reserved capital. Staring at a 12-month savings target is intimidating. Bypass the overwhelm by starting small. Set up an automated recurring transfer of just 5,000 rupees into a separate liquid account today. The operational rules for this specific account are strict. Not for vacations, not for gadgets. Only for a sudden job loss or a medical event. When you hold a massively expanded, highly liquid cash buffer, losing your job is no longer a permanent crisis. It becomes a manageable, temporary pause to figure out your next move. Step 3 is delinking your safety net. Employer-provided health coverage is flawed. The second you face a layoff, you're disconnected, and that shield vanishes. You need an independent insurance shield. By purchasing your own policy, your coverage remains permanently attached to you. With medical inflation at 14%, taking on freelance consulting, generating dividend yields, or securing rental income. The goal of a side income is not to immediately replace your full salary. Generating even 20,000 or 30,000 extra a month provides a psychological backup that prevents panic. Step 5 adjusts your investments. Don't chase high-growth equity or panic sell into cash. You need a counterweight of stable liquid assets. Locking capital into long-term, illiquid products traps your money, forcing you to sell stocks at heavy penalties during a personal downturn. Keep your strategy simple. Abandon complex, fancy trading schemes and stick to steady, automated, systematic investment plans, or SIPs. Over a 15-year horizon, consistent execution beats complexity. True financial wealth in an unpredictable economy is defined by your immediate liquidity and your varied income streams, rather than maximum paper returns. Let's review the 5 steps on your notepad. Keep EMIs under 35% of your take-home pay. Build a 10 to 12-month cash runway. Secure independent health and life insurance. Diversify your income sources. And prioritize liquid investments over locked capital. By executing this specific framework, you remove the catastrophic risk from sudden automation. A layoff is demoted from a decade-long financial struggle to a temporary, manageable setback. Look at your notepad. Drop a comment below telling us which of these 5 steps you are committing to tackle first today. Proactively restructuring your financial foundation is the ultimate controllable defense you have against the unpredictable wave of technological displacement.